I loved it.
It's too good.
अब मुझे तो फिल्म बहुत बढ़िया लग रही है.
It was really wonderful and a fun entertainer, must watch.
Yeah, it was very good.
It's a lovely film. I really loved the movie. It was in a very natural space.
It's too good. It's brilliant, and I love that it has come out like after 3 years. So it's yeah, I'm very happy for Shankar and everybody, the whole team. For me, it's 10. If it is like 10, yeah, 10 out of 10. Of course. Of- yeah, it's a film. I don't know about the sequel, but yeah. See, COVID was new for us, and the content is about COVID, so we haven't seen anything as such. Like, three of them are together inside a room, inside a house, inside an apartment, and at the same time, they have shot this entire film during COVID. So I have seen them, and it was a tremendous hell of a job which no one can do the way they have done it. And I have seen them for three and a half years. So we have been struggling for this film to come out, and today it has finally seen the light of the day. So I'm very elated and very happy, and best wishes for this film, and people should love this film. It's like it just has come out from the heart. There is nothing else in it. Please do watch the film. Chiranjeev Vashisht. Yeah. Of course. Of course. Shankar has written this and Menka has written, both of them have written this. So I know how they are. We're like a family. So we are family, definitely. And I know what they think, and I know. And I can vouch. Like, this has come straight from the heart. There's nothing like we have to please the audience, or we have to, make this film for audience. No, it's like, it's ours. And it's a very honest film. It's a very honest film. There's nothing contaminated. It's a very honest film. Please, we want your love. Thank you so much.
अभी तक तो अच्छी लग रही है. काफ़ी अच्छा ह्यूमर है, अच्छा सटायर है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा ह्यूमर लग रहा है और काफ़ी अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. लॉकडाउन के ऊपर बेस्ड है, कैसे 3 लोग एक साथ इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, उन्हें रहना पड़ता है, फिर कई कॉम्प्लिकेशन आती हैं, उसी में एक ह्यूमर है, तो वो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तक तो. अभी तो मतलब पूरा फिल्म ख़त्म होगा तो असली बोल सकता हूँ कि कौन किसका मैं फ़ैन हो रहा हूँ. हाँ, जैसे भी जो मेन लीड हैं और जो डायरेक्टर का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, उनका नाम भी मेरे को पता नहीं है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा उनका लग रहा है. अभी तक 8 के आसपास अभी तक, मतलब क्योंकि जितना देखा है, आगे जाके और देखते हैं.
अब मुझे तो फिल्म बहुत बढ़िया लग रही है. परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत अच्छी हैं तीनों एक्टर्स की. डायलॉग्स के लिए स्पेशल मेंशन है. हर तीनों किरदारों के अलग तरीके से डायलॉग्स लिखे गए हैं, और डायलॉग्स आर रियली गुड, इंटेलिजेंट डायलॉग्स एंड वेरी वेल मेड फिल्म. एंड कनेक्टिविटी है बहुत अच्छी. हाँ जी, तीनों एक्टर्स ने अपना किरदार भली भांति बहुत अच्छी तरह निभाया है, और मैं सराहना करना चाहूँगा सबकी. एंड मुझे निशान का काम बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड कुडोस टू द टीम. थैंक यू.
10 में से कितनी रेटिंग देना चाहिए?
हाँ,
10 में से कितनी रेटिंग देना चाहिए?
एक सेकंड, सॉरी.
10 होगा.
चलो, हो गया, बहुत हो गया.
5 में से कितना?
Good, yeah. I think till interval, also I didn't think. I mean, I think the main point is that the film is happening in this one house, right? And for it to be such entertaining and, keeps you hooked, I think pretty nice.
Out of 3 characters, characters, which is the best character for which is your favorite?
For me, it has to be Amit Kumar because he's a good friend of mine. So, but I think all of them did a good job so far. Yeah.
Out of 5, how much would you give it?
Out of
5, how much would you give it?
out of 5, 4 for sure. 4 for sure.
It was really wonderful and a fun entertainer must watch.
Who's your favorite character out of 6?
I think all the actors have done a tremendous job as per their characters, so I can't choose one right now. I think maybe by the end of the film I'll know.
And out of 5, how much would you give it?
Out of 5, I would give it a 4.8.
Lot of people out here have spoken about the movie and the cast, but let me take this moment to speak about the man behind and the brains behind this entire project. Shankar is a gentleman who is known for his craftsmanship, and one standout quality about him that he always goes for creative excellence. And sometimes in the pursuit of budgetary restrictions and all the limitations that any production house faces, he never compromises on creative excellence. So that for me has always been a standout when it comes to him and any of the projects that he has done. So a big salute to him and the entire team for pulling this off in a COVID atmosphere where there were a lot of restrictions, but he never gave up, and finally pulled it off. And even after the movie getting premiered in Cannes, it took him a while to get it a theatrical release, but he never gave the hope. He chased it down till this day, eventually arrived. So big congratulations to everybody. I would say, if you honestly ask me, the director of the film is the favorite. Give him the credit for also being off screen, yet being able to put people on screen. So I will still keep him. For me, he is the standout for this entire project. Hanji?
Out of 5, how much would you give it?
4.9? 4.9. Thank you.
यार इट वाज वेरी गुड रियल स्पेस में इतने अच्छे से बनाया है जो आजकल हर कपल के साथ ऐसा होता है, बट फील वाइब सब बढ़िया है.
और आप पूरी पिक्चर देखे, कैरेक्टर्स आपको कौन से काफ़ी अच्छे लगे आपको पसंद?
मुझे जो वैसे तीनों ने अपना अपना अच्छा काम किया, लेकिन जो अमित ने किया था, जो उसका कैरेक्टर था, वो सबसे बढ़िया लगा मुझे.
और अगर रेटिंग करें 1 से 5 के बीच में क्या रेटिंग?
3.5. थैंक यू.
It's a lovely film, not to be missed. 5 out of 5.
And which is your favorite character in this?
All three. It's a good team.
How did you like the movie?
I really loved the movie. It was in a very natural space and very nice, very well directed and very well done. Like everything, editing and all, everything was very good.
Which is your favorite character of the movie?
तीनों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, but the guy, I don't know his name. He was playing Gama, right? Chiranjeevi. He did it so well, and the girl was also very nice, and the other guy was also very, very nice. So everyone was very good. Thank you.
What would be the rating out of 5?
I might rate it 4.5. 4.5. Thank you.
And I'm Nishant's friend and I came to see this film today. It's a very sweet film, बहुत ही रियल कैरेक्टराइजेशन है और कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हम फिल्म देख रहे हैं या एक्टिंग हो रही है, सो टू स्पीक. कैरेक्टराइजेशंस बहुत अच्छे थे और स्पेशल नोटिस वुड लाइक आई शुड probably take special notice of the way the flat was designed, the way it was shot. Very lived in kind of a film. ऐसा नहीं है कि सेट लगा दिया है और बस एक्टर्स उस स्पेस में घूम रहे हैं. Kudos to the entire team and I really hope the film does well. Thank you so much.
You want to rate the movie 5 out of 5?
3.5 stars. Thank you.
I loved it. Everything is perfect. The what should I say? The performances are realistic, and the script is really rich. The content is rich. I think I should give 4 stars to this. Everything. I loved it.
फिल्म है. किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. जो लोग हैं वो बहुत सक्षम हैं और ब्रिलियंट काम किया है सबने. एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू द डायरेक्टर एंड द एक्टर्स to pull off such a tight film with such fabulous performances. Yeah.
Which is your favorite?
All three of them are very good. All three of them are very good.
What you have to say of the backdrop of the film?
It's a terrific concept and the way he's executed it's superb. I think this guy should be given all the money and all the resources to make another film very soon.
How many stars?
I don't rate. It's a great film.
tell us what you have to say about the film Alpha Beta Gamma.
So I came expecting nothing. The star cast is not known. The producer, the director, no one is known. And I came with zero expectations, and I'm going back feeling very happy because it's a very, I think it was a very real film, very real emotions, very real struggles. As much as we've seen a lot of content around COVID and how lives were during COVID, I don't think anyone thought of a love story and the confusion within the love story and a marriage or a relationship and made a movie about it. So definitely 10 on 10, very entertaining. The actors are really good, they're very natural. It's shot in a real house, I suppose. And I think it just feels like you're sitting in that room and watching them go through all those emotions and that drama. And I think, I think please go watch this movie. It's fun. It won't disappoint you.
There are three characters in the film. Which is your favorite?
I think...
Kerala guy or the Chiranjeevi?
No, so I think, of course, Ravi, the Kerala guy, is someone who you would naturally, kind of relate to the most. But I think at each given point of time, one of them was either going through an emotion that you can recognize with or the struggle that you can relate with. So I think all three of them, yeah.
Who are more complicated, women or men?
Men, because they think they are simple, so I think they are actually more complicated.
Out of 5 stars, how many stars would you give?
I would say 4. Yeah. All right, thank you.
What's your view, what's your opinion about the film?
It's a fab job which has been done, and I think as an independent film, I think it really it encourages others also to come forward and do such films, irrespective of any other things. But I feel like the actors were amazing, and it didn't look like. I think the actress was the first film. That's what I think it's a great thing, and I think I would recommend all of them to see this film.
Please continue.
Yeah. So I would like everybody to come at least and watch it and give their views. I like the spontaneity from the director's side, where he said whether you like it or dislike it, you just come forward and just thrash it. One way or the other, like even if you thrash it, you can give it the focus, and that's what makes it something different. So I think he's done a fab job, and he's been associated with my hubby. And he's been talking a lot about the film. So I think it should do good, whatever.
There are 3 characters in the film. Which is your favorite?
I think all have justified whatever they have done individually. The character, basically, my husband says, character is the hero. It's not the actors. So if it is properly etched out, sketched out, created, I think it definitely shows on the screen. So I feel like everything, I think the detailing has been done fantastically. And I think definitely I would love to see it again, coming up to here. And he's been involved in it, and he's been talking about it. So when I saw it, I think that goes much beyond what the words of him has been predicted.
See, I've been noticing while sitting in the audience, people are laughing, they're clapping. What do you think about, there are 3 characters in the film who are more complicated, women or men?
I think men. The female character was very sorted. She looked quite confident also what she wants in life and with whom she wants to go ahead. But the actor, definitely the 2 guys, they look lost. What they want in life. This is what I felt. But the female, the protagonist, and I would say she was quite confident.
Do you agree with this? Content is always the king. We don't need Shah Rukh or Salman or big star.
Definitely. Definitely. Today the cinema world is changing. Today everybody wants to look on for content. And if content presented in the right way, people would not look out for artists. So they would definitely look out for content. So that is one thing I see.
Out of 5, how many stars would you give?
Me? I think I would go for 4.5.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome.
This is, in fact, we couldn't believe that it's a movie of beginners, because these are all first movies of the 2 lead actors. and the first movie of the director. And it's a fabulous screenplay, and as well as the performances. Like all three of the lead performers, actors were performing like very seasoned actors. So we couldn't imagine that the beginners could do it in such an ease, and kind of the volume of performance was great, amazing. So they will have a great future ahead, I think. So that this movie has done it should definitely work with the audiences. That is what I think. Great. All three characters are really good, as well as even the security man who is acting in a very short role. That itself is quite amazing. He has made his presence really felt in the movie, as well as the uncle and auntie. They are coming at the last moment of the last scene of the movie. So they were all doing great performances, as well as their presence is really felt in the movie. So altogether, it is a great show they put up. It is definitely 5 out of 5.